Okay, we're going to calculate E with the interest-only method. Now we know how to calculate E. This is that number that's 1 plus 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/6, etc. We won't discuss this formula and how it works. It's definitely the best way to get a good number for E. But what is the definition of E? E is the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n raised to the n. The question is, why can't we use the definition? And the answer is, well, you could, but you won't get more than 8 digits. Why is that? Well, let's look at some numbers that occur. Each row is the previous number raised to the 10th power, and you can see that the digits tend to shift left except the leading one. That means all those small digits to the right matter more than you would think. And it's important to see all those small digits if you want to calculate this number accurately. So each number is of the form 1 plus r. Maybe we could see more digits if we could compute the r part separately. So this is the idea. With the interest-only calculation, we split 1 plus r into 1 and r. And here's an example. Suppose you have an investment that earns 2% 1 year, 3% the next year. What's the total return? It's roughly 5%, but that's not the right number. It's really 5.06%. And you can see the calculation here, but there's another way of calculating it. We could do it without the 1. It's 2% plus 3% plus the product of 2% and 3%. Or in general, it's R1 plus R2 plus the product of R1 and R2. The idea behind this calculation is that the 1 makes it hard to see the small digits. The analogy is it's hard to see the stars during the day because the sun is too bright. At night, with the sun removed, distant stars are now visible. The 1 is like the sun because it starts the count of significant digits. Without the 1, the count starts at R1 plus R2. So let's look at this calculation. Let's look at just the last row and see new digits we didn't see before. Up above, it ends in 495. Below, it's 495001617. Those are all digits we couldn't have seen without the interest-only calculation. And with this calculation, we can calculate E accurately to almost perfect precision.